Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix laptop screen freeze or stuck. And for this, what you have to do is just go onto your keyboard. And on your keyboard, just press on the left hand side, Control Shift Windows plus B. Just select all this together and click on it. And after that, it's gonna reset your graphics driver. You're gonna hear a sound. After that, give it some time to stabilize. And after you have successfully resetted your graphics driver, what you can do next is just right click on your taskbar and click on Task Manager. Just expand this. Then from here, you're gonna see the high percentile usage of the apps that are using your CPU or memory in high rate. So just right click on them and click on End Task. Do it for all the apps that is highly using your CPU or your RAM. And after that, from here, just click on this. Go to Startup Apps. From here, make sure to disable all the startup apps. Just right click on them and click on Disable. As you can see, I have already disabled a lot of them. You can disable the rest for you. Then just go to Processes again. Then from Processes, find Windows Explorer. Just right click on it and click on Restart. This is just gonna restart your Windows Explorer and fix all your problems. Then just close this. Then just go ahead and restart your PC. And this should fix your laptop screen freeze or stuck issue. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.